Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the move command, copy command and rotate command. So let's start with this tutorial. Now here we'll see how to use the move command. First we'll take an object here. I'll take a rectangle. Now I'll take this move command. You can either take the move command from this modifier panel or shortcut key for move is M, enter. Now select the object, enter. Now specify the base point. I keep the base point here. Now move the object as per your requirement, or you can give a specific distance. I'll give a distance of 50, enter. Now this object is moved at the distance of 50. Now next we'll see this copy command. Shortcut for copy is CO. I'll give this command CO, enter. Select the object, say enter. Now specify the base point. I'll take this as a base point. Now you can copy this object as you want. At last say enter. Now suppose if you want to take multiple copies of this object, then what you do is give command copy, CO, enter. Select this object, enter. Now specify the base point. Now here you will get this option array. Click on the array. Now enter the number of items you want to array. Suppose I want 5 items. Give number 5. Say enter. Now you see you will get this 5 objects including the original object. Now you can give the distance between the two objects. I'll give 30. Say enter. Now next we'll see the rotate command. Shortcut key for rotate is RO. I'll give the shortcut key RO, enter. Now if I want to rotate this object, select the object, say enter. Now select the base point. Now you can rotate it at any angle you want. You can specify the angle here. Suppose if I want to rotate it at 45 degree, specify the angle as 45, enter. The object is rotated at 45 degree angle. Now suppose if I want to rotate this object but also I want the original object, then what I'll do is give command rotate, select the object, say enter, select the base point. Now here there is an option copy. Click on the copy. Now you can move it at desired angle. I'll give an angle of 45. Say enter. Now here you can see you got this object rotated at the angle of 45 degree, and also you got the original object as it was. So hope you understand how to use this command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.